raining today, but the show must go on. Books. Scissors. Oh, I know whose table this is. 'Cause I remember that number 2. It's a big corner chisel. Morning, Bob.
Alex, how are you?
How's it going? Good?
Good. It's never been used.
Looks like it hasn't. Yeah.
Come back to this later. Tremel points. They're slightly different. That's the same. Full sets. Oh, I just noticed the handle is not round. It's a little smaller on this direction. Levels. 98, 99 pair. Number 95. Oh, 2 of them. A lot of trauma points. Oh, this square is tiny. I think I have something like that. Gouges. Crank neck gouges. Some big chisels. Number 67.
I got a few more things to do.
Some draw knives. Mallets. Oh, this one is heavier than the other one. Oh. Oh, this is really dense. $3 each. Block planes, saw sets, squares, folding rules. Parts. Dividers and rulers. More parts. Is that 378? Yeah, 378 fence. Who knows? Missing a corner. Cam rest for 45 or number 55. Combination squares, auger bits. There will be some Festool stuff, I guess. Still setting up. Little router table. Bunch grinder. Pipe wrenches. Morning.
Filming again.
Yes, every time. At least I'm trying to. Burning, soldering tool. I remember that box. Smarks, I think. Oh, that's a interesting profile. Usually it'll be a equilateral triangle. This is not. Well, no, I think it's. This is the same. So you'll get a really sharp edge on this. This is a later model. The casting looks pretty thick. Some hatchets, straw knife, measuring tape. Oh. In an original box with all the packing material. Type 13, number 4. Type 11. Some chisels.
Yeah, I hear you. Don't forget, you put a lot of sauce. Yes, I do.
I got an old English sauce.
I know it's so good.
I think I showed you how to wash.
I think I remember that, yeah.
Nobody wants it.
Number 45 in the box.
That's 20.
Original box. Looks pretty complete. Even has a screwdriver in it. It's a little hard to get to, but that's the original screwdriver for number 45. Some saws, spoke shaves. Oh, he also has a pair of number 98 and 99. Side rabbiting plane. Morning.
How you
Good to see you.
doing?
Good. How about you?
I'm fine. Having a ball here. Yeah. I owe you $30. Okay.
Makita. Turning chisels.
Yeah, those are 12 volt.
How's it going?
Good, man. How about yourself?
Good. Good. Sergeant.
Sergeant, Miller's Falls. My Stanleys are gone already.
Sold?
Yeah.
Oh, good.
Yeah.
Another sergeant. Some socket chisels. Hey, Don. Donuts, if you want some. Cool.
Okay.
You gotta start somewhere, right?
More donuts. Morning. Tops, dies, pliers. More turning scissors. Gloves. Leather mallets. Some leather pouches. Yes. Box scraper. That saw vise is tiny. Morning.
How you doing?
Good. How about you?
Almost staying dry. Almost.
Feels dry here. Sockets and wrenches. Oh, they're sorted by brand names. Some claw hammers. Got back to Bob's table. I'm looking for some Type 14 planes. Looks like they're difficult to find. Not that. This is Type 13. No. ECE plane still in its box. Oh, don't break it. That's a really long wood body plane. That's feels longer than a Stanley number 8. It's probably 30 inches. More rotor planes. That's oh, that's a bedrock. Okay.
They started to do
Corrugated.
EAIO West, and then it became PAST. Observing the
things like that. But yeah, durable enough for cabinets, floors, furniture. Man floors?
Ponches?
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, it's used on hardwood flooring. On average, it should last about 3 to 5 years.
Oh, two of them. Oh, that's the blade. Tiny chisels. Micrometers. Morning.
Good morning.
It's interesting scraper. Small anvil. Carving chisels. Clamps. Drill chucks. Slit cutters. I think that's what it's called.
They did a good job.
Oh, I missed the $1 each bin. Wire gauge. Oh. It's a level head. Someone made it. Of aluminum. Drill chucks, milling vices.
That's a Windsor beater.
Very interesting design.
That's an interesting design, yeah.
One tool you can cut 4 different
Yeah,
profiles.
it rotates, the cutter rotates, and you got a little fence that you can adjust.
Oh, this part slides around, right?
Yeah, it's for beading, for round,
Yeah. Huh.
different sizes
That's-
of round beads. It's, it's like a scraper actually,
Yep.
but it forms that.
It's like this one, but you have one blade to do 4 profiles.
Yeah, well, you got all the different
Yeah.
size blades, and yeah,
It's interesting. I'll put it.
you can see the patent date on.
Oh,
Did you see the patent date on top of it?
no. Oh, here.
Yeah,
1885.
yeah.
Difficult to do with one hand. Oh, there's so much adjustment on this. I'll tighten it. Very cool. How much you asking for this?
Pardon?
How much you asking for this?
$60.
Really nice tool. Thank you.
Tape.